pain. Holy shit. Fuck yeah, that's a lot. Hold on. Watch out, watch out. I'm gonna use my ability. Greg! 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 I think I could still hit you from my end. All the way over here. Yeah. Okay. I killed almost all of them. I think these... Oh, sorry. Okay. I bet you any money there's more inside. Oh, fuck. Oh, thinking bastards. Fucking purple bastards. What? Oh, shit. How many are we talking about? Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, and there's parasites as well. What the fuck? Oh, that's a panda. Hey, panda don't get... Actually, I was about to say, yeah, they're not aggressive with me. Oh, such a cute little panda. Ow. I'm gonna name him... I'm gonna name him Bubba. Bubba the panda. Holy shit. Light it up. Fuck, where did I teleport to? Oh, fuck! It put me next to the TNT, you fucker! What the fuck? Why is it putting me near by the TNT? Actually, I'm actually kind of liking how this is going. Wait. Start blowing in, like, right here. Oh, shit. I have an idea for that. The ominous room. Okay, just a little bit more. I would say, like, probably right there. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh! Fuck. Ow, fuck. I have an idea, Greg. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Did you get hit by lightning even though you're inside? Okay. Supercharged creeper. I have a wonderful idea. Go check, actually. I'm gonna... If you hear more explosions and oh shit plenty of times, then you know I am probably killing myself with the CNT. Oh man, I wish you recorded that. That was so perfect. Oh, there's a fucking parasite down here. Okay. Yeah, I just had one. What? Watch out, Greg. It's shooting the baby piss. It's shooting the R. It's shooting the R. Kelly piss. Okay. Fuck. Ow. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Greg, come down here. Oh, what the fuck? There's a spawn for them. Come here. Yeah. There's two. What the fuck? Oh shit. Yeah. I have no fucking idea. Man, I ain't worried about the fucking meat now. Okay, I'm closing this hole off, and I'm leaving the torches behind there, you know, for we can sting it. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh fuck, there's a parasite down here, Greg. Are you okay? Good lord, that fucking sword does so much damage. Oh no, why is there bees down here? Where are they coming from? What the fuck? Oh. Okay. Oh my god. There got to be. I'm about to fucking die. They're gonna kill me. Yeah, I'm about to fucking die. They're fucking me, Greg. They're fucking. They fucks me. Oh my god, Greg, there's so many up top. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. Get fucking rockied. Oh my god, they're fucking me, Greg. Just hold your shield up. I don't want to accidentally hit you. Oh, fuck. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? There's so many. You fucking literally with the gun. Oh, I don't know what the fuck to do. I gotta collect my stuff. I organize all my shit. Oh no. No way. Alrighty, I got all my stuff. I'm gonna head back to the door and I'm gonna kill the bees. It. I think. I don't think so. No, no, no. It's still in the basement. Oh. Well, shit. I don't know, Greg. I don't know. I hear it. Yeah.
How come you didn't tell me your sister was sick?
Because I thought she would have told you.
No, I haven't heard from your sister in about like 2-3 days.
No, I thought she would have told you. Because you two talk a lot, so I thought she would have told you something.
I haven't heard from her in about 2-3 days.
No. Like I said,
She told me that she had called you.
yeah, I talked to her when I was at work. I called her. No, I said I called her. You know, she was talking. You know, she's still.
First time I heard from her.
Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. I thought she, you know, she would have kept you informed.
No, she didn't say nothing to me until.
Okay. Well, that's my fault. Sorry. Like I said. Hey! Stop scratching up the door. Get your little hiney away from that door. Why are you scratching it up? What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Oh, okay. Sounds like you hit jackpot. Okay, I am hearing a fucking. Oh, okay. Oh, that's your sword. Okay, that shit's kind of creepy. Well, the demon backshot swords is a little different, but your sword sounds creepy as hell. What the fuck? You did? Yeah, that's your shit. Oh, holy shit, there is something down here. No, I'm not gonna use my ability. I'll just. I'm trying to see if I can. Oh, he's not harmless. You bitch. Oh. No! Yeah, we'll put him on the memorial wall. His name shall be on the wall. Wait, was that my dog or was? Yeah, I think that was one of my dogs. I think I accidentally used my ability and then I killed your dog unaccidentally. Yeah, it sounds like it. Okay, well, don't ever say that again. Don't ever say that again. I will ban you from my Minecraft Christian server. Okay. Let's smooth this area out. Because I have an idea. Yes, smooth like her massive cheeks. The fleck, fleck, fleck. Oh, yes, it was. The Brotherhood of Steel shall never forget. Oh, man. Do you got more Dorito dust? Yeah. Yeah, Dorito dust. Alrighty, can I get them 18 Dorito dust? Can I get that wonderful Dorito dust? Can I pet that dog? It wasn't even a fucking dog, it was a bear. It was like a fucking baby bear or some shit. Shit, I want to pet a bear before I die. I want to know if their fur is actually soft. I want to get mauled by a bear. I just want to pet the bear. That's actually how I want to die. Just be between her thighs. Let her crush my skull. Just on your deathbed, just be like, what's your last wish? I wish to die by goth girl, big titty goth girl. Wait, there's a zombie obituary? Oh, I thought you said obituary. I'm like, zombie obituary down there? What the fuck? I don't remember adding that. Here lies wonderful Steve. I mean, zombie Steve. Yep. Oh, shit. Okay, I got 90 something Dorito dust, so that should be enough. Yes, I have brilliant idea. It was Diddy. The Diddy sword. Beware, it will oil you up and give you the back shots. Beware of the Diddy sword. I'm gonna put my penis in one of the eyeballs. I said I'm gonna put my penis in one of the eyeballs. I'm gonna just shotgun it. Minecraft, more like mine chat. Ah, 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 ah. Oh my god. Well, at least you tried. I did. I did. I knew exactly where you were trying to go, but it didn't go out as planned. Well, shit. Wasn't the Bedrock ones like much more stronger than this one? I don't think so, right? Did we ever try to craft demon armor? No, right? Yeah. You good up there? Oh, god damn it, Greg. Oh, thank the Lord. Well, of course, he wasn't speaking. Innocent? I think not. Exactly. Exactly. You don't want to trust these traitors. You okay? You're you you're using your sword ability, aren't you? That shit's actually kind of mind blowing. How like that purple shit is. The purple Diddy shit. The Diddy sword. That's that was his cock. No, I don't want to touch the sword anymore. No, not yet. I haven't seen it. Mm-hmm. Oh man, that's perfect. Hey, wait, what? What? No, I have very bad memory, Greg, so I won't remember. Okay. Wait, hold on, wait a minute. I'm gonna have to call you back. All right.